Hey guys, Brett here, and in this video I want to show you how I make my marketing posts to my Facebook group so that way I can get maximum effect and maximum results from the posts. And I actually use two software that I personally wrote, and you can get both of these softwares in the software section of this training. So the two software that I use are my ImageMaker Pro software and my Facebook link post software. And I'm not going to explain exactly how the software works in this video because there is training on how to use the software built into each of those softwares. Instead, I want to talk about the process that I use in order to make my posts. First, I want to show you an example marketing post. So this is actually a marketing post that I made to my Facebook group where I was promoting the Shop Express software. And you can see I have a graphic. I always have a graphic because graphics garner more attention than just text. I do still put text in the post though because I want people to be able to read the post before deciding to click on it. Finally, I use my Facebook link post software to make this entire graphic clickable. So there's not a link in the text. The entire graphic here is clickable. And that's important because it's much more prominent instead of a tiny link that they have to find or that may be hidden if they have to click the More button in order to see the link at the bottom of the post. Using Facebook link post, I can make this entire graphic clickable. And of course, I made the graphic with my ImageMaker Pro software. So to start with, after I find something that I want to promote, I go over to ImageMaker Pro and I create a graphic. So this is actually my ImageMaker Pro software, and once again, you get free access to this as a member of this training. You can see some of the posts that I've made here. I'll go ahead and click one to edit it so you can see what it looks like. So here's the image that I made with ImageMaker Pro for this particular promotion, and you can get training on how to use ImageMaker Pro by clicking the help button right inside of it. Once I have my image completed though, I simply click on the settings link, I click on export as PNG, and then I save this image to my computer. And the way I save the image to my computer is by right clicking on it, clicking save as. So I'm going to go ahead and save this to my computer. I'll call it 1.png. I always call all of my images 1.png. That way, when I'm uploading it somewhere, I can use the same image all the time, and it keeps overwriting when I make a new one. This way, I don't have a ton of images on my computer for different things. So I'll go ahead and save this, overwrite the old one because this is the new one that I'm going to use. And the next step is to head over to my blog and use the Facebook link post WordPress plugin, which is also something that you get for free as a member of this training. So this is Facebook link post. It's the software that I use that allows me to make the images that I post to Facebook groups clickable. So in order to use it, simply go ahead and click on the Create New button. It's going to ask you if you want to use an existing graphic or if you want to upload a new one. And all the existing graphics are going to be things that you've uploaded already. It also does come with some stock graphics as well. I'm going to go ahead and upload a new one because I just made one in the ImageMaker Pro software. I'll go ahead and browse for it. I know right where it is because I always name my image 1.png. I'll click on the upload button. And then it's going to ask me for the link URL. That's where I want people to go to. Now, depending on the promotion that you're doing, you might want them to go to different places. You might want them to go to your website, or you might want them to go to a review page or a bonus page, or you might want them to go directly to your affiliate link. Since I'm just doing an example here, I'm just going to enter in the URL of my personal blog. So I'll type in http://www.brettratecki.com. It's going to ask me for the caption. Now, the caption is the text that goes over the graphic. So I'll go over to Facebook again and I'll show you exactly what the caption is. This text right here is actually the caption where it says 100% honest review. That is the caption that you're entering in. And that caption could be anything you want, but you do have a limited amount of text that you can put in there. So what you normally want to do is you want to summarize what this post is. You want to post something that's going to grab people's attention. So 100% honest review is something that's pretty much going to grab people's attention, and it summarized what I was doing. In this particular post, I was actually sending people to a review of this particular software. For this example, I'm just going to enter in a caption that says, "You need to see this!" exclamation point. I'm then going to go ahead and save and exit. I'm going to go ahead and find the post that I just made. It's going to be on the bottom here. You can see it right there. And what I want to do now is click on the share button. Now Facebook is going to show me a preview, and sometimes Facebook is slow. Sometimes Facebook doesn't load the graphic right away. And you can actually see it's not loading the graphic right away because Facebook is being a little slow right now. So all you need to do is close this off again and click on the share button again, and this way Facebook will have a second chance to load the graphic, and they generally get it right on the second chance. It's going to ask me now where I want to share this. Well, I don't want to share to my timeline. I want to share to my group. So I'm going to select share in group. I'm going to start typing in the name of the group, and then I'm going to enter in my text. Now this is the text that shows above the graphic. This is the long version of the caption. So the caption is the shortened version, the caption is the quick summary, and in here I'm going to type in the long version. Once I type in my text, all I need to do is go ahead and click on the post to Facebook on the right hand side, and I've now used ImageMaker Pro to create a quick eye-catching graphic. I've used Facebook link post to make that graphic clickable, and I've posted it to my Facebook group with it linkable to any URL that I want.